Friday, March 20th, you guys. And we have our picture of the day again. If you happen to hear random call music in the background, it's because I've been on hold for a couple of hours now with the people from the Dominican Republic trying to cancel my trip. So don't mind that random background noise. Okay, so I wanted to do the reveal of what we're doing today. I mean, what we had yesterday. This mystery picture. And then we'll move on to our mystery picture for today. Okay? And same thing with our math. These are for fun, okay? These are to keep us connected and keep us focused on some of the things that we work on at school, but I'm not going to collect these, race response, or grade them or anyway or anything like that. They're just for us, for fun, okay? Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what this mystery picture is about. I'm going to scroll all the way down. The reveal. So it says that this is in Queensland, Australia. January 16th. Tourists watch a sheep shearing and ram parade at Paradise Country Farm Experience theme park. Cool. That's not surprising because a huge percentage of the world's wool comes from Australia. They have huge, enormous sheep farms there. Okay, let's move on to our mystery picture of today. So here's our mystery picture of today. What is going on in this picture? What is going on in this picture? So we have some Inuit people, and an Inuit is a term that describes native people of the north, but they could have their own tribal names that are different. Just FYI. Inuit people, okay? So what is going on in this picture? Look closely at the image above or view it in large screen. I already viewed it in large screen with you guys. And then you're going to answer the same questions that we answered from before. What is going on in this picture? What do you see that makes you say that? Where's your evidence? And what more can we find out? So we're going to look at our picture. What is happening? I think this is happening because this and this evidence support what I'm saying. And if I look closely, I notice some other things. I notice this and I notice that. And we're going to really investigate this because there's some things here that are very interesting. Okay? So we're going to investigate it pretty deeply and write a race response with restate, answer, cite your evidence, explain. Okay? Good luck.